An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and tax benefits of a partnership. If you're starting a business in Florida, you may be considering forming an LLC. Let's guide you through the steps of creating an LLC in Florida, step by step. Step 1. Choose a business name. The first step in creating an LLC in Florida is to choose a business name. Your business name must be distinguishable from all other business names on file with the Florida Division of Corporations. You can check for name availability by searching the Florida Division of Corporations website. Step 2. File Articles of Organization. Once you've chosen a business name, the next step is to file Articles of Organization with the Florida Division of Corporations. The Articles of Organization are the documents that officially create your LLC. Step 3. Appoint a registered agent. Every LLC in Florida must have a registered agent. The registered agent is a person or business that agrees to receive legal documents on behalf of the LLC. Step 4. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. You'll need an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS to open a bank account and pay taxes for your LLC. You can obtain an EIN for free from the IRS website. Step 5. Create an operating agreement. Although it's not required by law in Florida, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement for your LLC. An operating agreement is a document that outlines the ownership and management structure of your LLC. Step 6. Comply with annual report and tax requirements. Every year, you'll need to file an annual report with the Florida Division of Corporations and pay an annual fee. You'll also need to pay state taxes and any applicable federal taxes. If you're interested in starting your own Florida LLC, click the link below to sign up with my corporation. They will file your paperwork within 24 hours. If this information was valuable to you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.